chew. To crush, grind, or gnaw something, such as food, with or as if with the teeth. You don't chew properly your food. She is chewing her food before swallowing it. Chomp. To bite or chew something loudly and energetically. The big fish chomped small fishes loudly. She is chomping so loudly her food. It's rude. Chug. To drink something quickly and in large gulps, especially a beverage like water, milk, or beer. I was so thirsty that I chugged the entire bottle of water in one go. He is chugging the full beer. Devour. To eat something quickly and eagerly, often because you are very hungry. To read something quickly and eagerly. Can you devour this book tonight? He devoured the entire pancake by himself. Dip. To put something into a liquid and take it out quickly. I dipped it in soy sauce before cooking. She dipped the French fries in tomato sauce and ate them. Feed. To give food to. I have fed my baby 10 minutes ago. She is feeding the hen right now. Gobble. To eat something very quickly and noisily. Eat slowly and don't gobble your foods. He gobbled the noodles like he hasn't eaten all day. Graze. A small scrape or cut on the skin. She got a small graze on her elbow. He got a graze on his knee when he was playing on the ground. Graze. To feed on grass, usually used for animals. We will take our cows in the field to graze. Our goats are grazing in the field. Graze. To eat small amounts of food throughout the day, rather than at regular meals. She has been grazing popcorns from afternoon. She grazed a little her watermelon, not eat full. Gulp. To swallow food or drink quickly or in large amounts. Often because you are in a hurry, nervous, or thirsty. I gulped my milk quickly. He was thirsty, he took a gulp of water. Sip. To drink a small amount of liquid slowly. It's so cold. I sipped on the bottle of juice. I took a sip of coffee. Slurp. To drink or eat something noisily, sucking it in with a loud sound. He is slurping his juice with a straw. Please don't slurp your noodles. Steep. To soak something, like tea or herbs, in hot liquid to get its flavor or quality. I steeped the tea bag for 2 minutes. Please steep the tea bag in the hot water. Swallow. To take through the mouth and esophagus into the stomach. I am swallowing my pills with water. I just had to swallow the bad barger with water. Top up. To fill something again or add more to something that is running low, like a balance, drink, fuel, or battery. He will go to the gas station to top up his car. I am topping up my water bottle.